Disclosure. This educational content has been developed using artificial intelligence.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you thinking about starting your own YouTube journey, but you're stuck on the very first step? You've got the ideas, the passion, the camera. But what in the world do you call your channel? I've been there, staring at a blank screen, trying to come up with that one perfect name. It feels like a huge decision, because it is. Your channel name is your brand. It's the first thing people see, and it's how they'll remember you. A great name can make you stand out, while a confusing one can make you invisible. But don't you worry, because today, I am going to break down exactly how to choose a perfect YouTube channel name that you will love for years to come. First, let's talk about the 4 main types of channel names you can choose from. The first and most straightforward is simply using your own name. Think of creators like Marks Brownlee or Ali Abda. This is fantastic for building a personal brand, especially if you're a coach, artist, or expert in your field. It positions you as the face of your content. The only downside is that it might not immediately tell people what your channel is about, and if you have a common name, it might already be taken. The second type is a descriptive name. This tells viewers exactly what to expect. Think 5-minute crafts or budget bites. It's great for search and instantly attracts your target audience. If someone is looking for quick DIs, they know 5-minute crafts is the place to go. The challenge here is to keep it from being too generic or limiting. If Yoga with Adrian suddenly wanted to post about marathon training, it might feel a bit off-brand. So think about your long-term goals. Third, we have branded or abstract names. These are unique, catchy words that don't necessarily describe the content. Think PewDiePie or Mr. Beast. These names are highly memorable and give you complete freedom to pivot your content in any direction you want. The trade-off is that they take a lot more effort to build brand recognition from scratch. You have to work harder to associate that unique name with your specific value and content. Finally, there's the hybrid approach, which combines your name with a descriptive element. A great example is Binging with Babish. This gives you the best of both worlds. It builds your personal brand while also giving new viewers a clue about what you do. It's a really popular and effective strategy for many creators. So, now that you know the types, how do you actually brainstorm? Grab a pen and paper or open a new doc and let's get to work. Start by listing keywords related to your niche. If you're starting a gaming channel, write down words like gaming, plays, quest, level up, pixels, and the types of games you play. Then, list words that describe your personality or the vibe of your channel. Are you funny, informative, calm, energetic? Write those down. Now, start combining them. Mix your name with keywords. Try out puns. Look up synonyms. The goal here is quantity over quality. Don't judge your ideas yet. Just get them all out there. Once you have a long list, it's time to filter. The perfect name should be for things easy to say, easy to spell, easy to remember, and available. Read your top contenders out loud. Do they roll off the tongue, or are they a mouthful? Ask a friend to spell one of them after you say it once. If they struggle, your audience will too. Avoid weird spellings or using numbers instead of letters, like SK8, RBOI. It just makes you harder to find. And the final, crucial step, check for availability. Search for your potential name on YouTube, Google, and all major social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. You want to be able to secure the same handle everywhere for consistent branding. Also, check if the .com domain is available, even if you don't plan on building a website right now. Securing the domain name is a smart move for the future. You ain't want to build a huge following on YouTube only to find out someone else owns your brand name on every other platform. Choosing a name is a big step, but it shouldn't paralyze you. The most important thing is to create great content. A good name helps, but it's your value and personality that will truly make your channel grow. So, follow these steps, pick a name that feels right, and go start creating. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this guide was helpful. If you got some value from this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on growing your channel. Let me know in the comments what name you're thinking of. I'd love to hear it. See you in the next one.